Mike Hughes here. I'm with Gannet Dive Company, or GannetDive.com, and I'm here with Garo. And you want to tell us a little bit about your new products?
Yeah, I do. Let's start over here.
Okay.
So this year we came out with the RM50 based on our Blue Water 50 platform, but this one's more for the reef diver. This is something that you can put all your gear on top of. You can use the cargo net, which attaches to all the D-rings, slide your fins in, your mask, your snorkel, your spear gun, and then you got a package you can walk down the beach with nice and easy. Got a center gimbal for your, what am I thinking?
Oh, maybe a lanyard and attach it to a buoy or something?
I was thinking fish stringer.
Oh, hello. That works
so
too.
you can hang your catch. This would be your, if you wanted to drag it behind you, use a float line.
Right.
So we've got that this year. That's called the Reef Master 50.
Okay.
We've redesigned our coastal float. Same concept. This is a shore diving float. You're going to jump on this, swim out to your favorite reef, do your spearfishing, your sightseeing, whatever. We've got a big old gear bag for it. What we've done is...
That's a lobster bag.
That's exactly right. I use this for lobster quite a bit.
That's what I thought.
Lobster and fish. I throw fish in there. You know, with my lobster, what I do is actually turn it upside down.
Okay.
So they stay in the shade and they stay in the water.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's less stressful for them.
Yeah, until you know, ready to
eat them.
Eat them. This year we come out with 4 new colors for the float line: blue, white, red, pink.
Okay.
That's in addition to our 2 traditional yellow and black float lines. We've actually changed our hardware up. So now we have integrated swiveling stainless steel hardware with an integrated shackle. So you can choose between a 700-pound stainless steel clip or our proprietary Gannet tie. And if this wears out, you can just replace it. If you want to go straight to your shooting line, all you need to do is unscrew the cross screw. Shooting line goes in there, screw it back in. So nice streamlined design. We're getting rid of all the connections that aren't necessary.
Cool. Oh, you got red, white, and blue too. You can do
red, white, blue. Red, white, blue, pink.
Yeah, the 4 basic American colors.
Basic food groups. We redesigned our blue water floats a little bit for this year. We've reinforced the nose cone, and they're 25% lighter.
And you can see the extra patch on the end
so
there.
we've run the patch across the nose a little bit longer, and we've incorporated a larger D-ring and vertical.
For Toyota pickups and other things that you're attaching.
You could probably hang a Toyota pickup off of that.
Do not try this at home.
That's right.
Okay.
So in our luggage category, this is our traditional gear bag. Still have that out. And this is our version 2 gear bag, generation 2. It comes in a tropical white, so we built that for warm water divers. You can put your gear in there and
won't get as hot.
It doesn't get as hot, keeps the sun off it. This is our same bag in black. These are actually tight weave mesh. So water flows through this, no problem. It's going to let your gear dry. It's not going to get all soppy on the bottom. But what it does do is keep 90% of the sun's rays off your gear.
Perfect.
Like traditional mesh, your gear gets burnt in the sun. For the Gen 2 boat bags, we've run PVC on the bottom, up the lip, and around the one side. And the reason we do that is because when you hang this bag, you'd like to hang this bag through a carabiner, you're not going to burn through the mesh. You have a reinforced PVC bottom.
Okay, cool.
Although these handles are not meant specifically for backpacks, they're long enough to wear this as a backpack as well.
Okay.
So if you're just going to walk to the boat and need to
short little hike,
carry a few things, this is our kit bag. Now this is our more robust travel bag. It has integrated padded backpack straps with a chest retainer and a waist retainer. Molly Pals compatible webbing on the front. On the back. Also on the front, this is going to be we got a little piece of cardboard in here just to keep it rigid. But this is your personal effects pocket. You got a key clip with chafing gear on the back there, just so your keys don't wear through your bag. And cool stuff about this bag is inside. So it's padded 4 sides. The ends are not padded. The ends are the same tight weave mesh, so we have airflow and water. We've got a little bit of just packing in here to keep it rigid. But let me take it out. individualized padded fin pockets
Okay.
with a plastic reinforcement sheet. They're stitched on the bottom so the tips of your carbon fiber blades are not going to get dinged up. Base plate comes out. If you'd like to roll this bag up, you can. This base plate keeps it quite rigid. That just slides in that pocket like that.
Cool.
We have a removable interior bag, also padded. This is for your mask, GoPro, watch. Keeps it nice and secure. The whole thing zips up with compression straps, and then you can wear it as a backpack and walk it through the airport if that's what you're doing.
Oh yeah, that's the way I go through TSA all the time.
That's right. This is meant to be checked. You can take this and just throw it on the carousel, and
Right.
you don't have to worry about your fins getting beat up.
Okay.
You know, everybody's spending a lot of money on their carbon fiber fins. They don't want to see them
Dinged up.
destroyed.
Okay, and so if they want more information, they're going to go to
GannetDive.com.
Perfect.
Yep.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.